Two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. One of the interior angle is 3x plus 10 degrees, and the corresponding angle is 5x minus 30 degrees. So the question says find the value of x and also determine the measure of each angle. Okay. So what we're going to do first, let's get what a parallel line is and what a transversal line is. So we start with this. The parallel lines are two lines going at the same direction, but they never meet. And then a transversal line is a line that cuts through the parallel line. Okay. Now, this part here is an interior angle. This part also is an interior angle. This is an interior, this is an interior. But the question says one of the interior angles. So you can either pick any of these. So, but let's say we pick this. Let's say this is 3x plus 10 degrees. Okay. Now, and the corresponding angle of this interior angle is this. If you pick here, the corresponding angle is going to be this. Okay. If you pick here, this is the corresponding angle. If you pick this part, this is the corresponding angle. So we have here as 5x minus 30 degrees. Now, what does the corresponding angle says? It says corresponding angles are equal, right? So we're going to equate these two as 3x plus 10 equals to 5x minus 30. So at this point, we can collect terms. So we have 3x minus 5x equals to minus 30 minus 10. So if you do this, you have a minus 2x and then equals to minus 40. So here we divide both sides by minus 2, minus 2. So this cancels. Then you have x equals this cancel 20. So your x is 20. Okay. That means for A, the value of x is 20. So for B, we have to determine the measure of each of those angles, right? So to find the measure of each of those angles, we are going to replace x with this, with 20, and then replace it also with this. So we have 3x plus 10. This is going to be equals to 3 into bracket 20 plus 10. This is 60 plus 10, and then equals to 70 degrees. So meaning this angle entirely here is 70 degrees, okay? So we'll do the same thing for this. We have 5x minus 30, and this is going to be equal to 5 into bracket 20 minus 30. 5 times 20, we have 100 minus 30, and that gives you 70 degrees. You see, the idea that corresponding angles are equal, this obviously I've shown it 70 equals to 70. Is that okay? Bye.